So I know some of you guys remember that I had an empty four-seater, a motorless, a transmissionless four-seater, and look at all this room I have in the garage. We ended up getting rid of that sucker, ended up giving her away, and it was just gonna be too much to do in the little time that we have with desert season just creeping right around the corner. Even though it's still about 106 today, 107 here in Ramona, desert season's creeping up on us. It's gonna be cooling down these next couple of weeks, and I still don't have a damn desert car. So with that, we're gonna go do something, and hopefully, all right, we're loading up right now. A freaking brush fire just broke out next to the race shop. So hopefully we'll be able to get to the race shop. But until then, right now, look how hot it is here in San Diego. It's 5 o'clock at night. Look how hot. We're showing a bucko 103 freaking degrees. We got to get our country music, good old Cody Jinks, 103 degree heat, powered by Monster. Boom! Look at that beautiful flag blowing in this hot wind. All right, cranker on there, cranker. Yep. Oh, what's this I'm wearing, you ask? It is a nice pink. It's the old Dukes of Off-Road Hazard face coverings. You know, the times we're living in with all the COVID crap going on. What do you guys think about these things? I got a few left in stock, $7, free shipping, order down below. Give it to the old Venmo account. All right, just pulling up to the shop here, and we're gonna buy one of these things. Which one should we get? Should we get this one? 2020 Turbo S? Should we get that one? Should we buy Wayne's race car? Wayne, how much you want for this one?
It's better we don't talk about it.
No?
It'll be for sale after the 1,000.
Will it really? Yeah. Are you really? All right, how much for this one?
I think you just found out.
We did, because we just bought that one right here, baby. What do you think, buddy?
This would be awesome.
All right, well, let's get this sucker loaded up on the old trailer. All right, so we're pulling out the car that I'm taking home. It's my birthday in a couple days, and so we got ourselves a nice little birthday gift.
Okay, so just so you know, this thing came with a warranty, and it's good until now.
Damn! Can I get the extended for like $1,200? Walking to load it on the trailer, and look at that beautiful moon. Big old full moon right now.
Rad, dude.
Put her in 4 low. There she goes. Boom. What's happening, guys? Good morning. Boy, oh boy. We have a major project happening here at the Dukes of Off-Road Hazard compound today, boy. We have Sempra Solaris coming to install not 1, not 2, but 3 Tesla home batteries. 3 Tesla home batteries. I'm tired of paying these SDG&E bills. San Diego gouging electric, man. I have 22 panels on my house on top of my roof. I got a crappy roof, but still, I have to true up with SDG&E just this year. $2,500 true up bill. Not only am I paying for my solar, but I got to pay for my true up. I got to pay for propane twice a year, which is around $700. So yeah, utilities here in California, they suck, let me tell you. But anyways, let me show you guys where I'm putting these batteries. All right, so as you walk on the side of my house, we got the old Solar City inverter here. Right now, let's see what we're producing here. We're producing about 1,340 kilowatts, or 1,340 watts, I should say. So 1,340 watts. Let's see if we're using power or we want the arrow going out, not in, out. So let's see what we don't want the power going in. That means we're using it. We want the power going out. So right now, out. So power is going out to the grid, not coming into the house where we're paying thousands of dollars per kilowatt hour. Yeah, so anyways, we got the 3 Tesla batteries going in right here along this wall, which is going to be in the sun all day long. So we got to build a shade structure for it. So I got to build some kind of shade structure coming up from the top of the roof here and going onto the bank here. So stay tuned for all this. And man, it's going to be a beautiful thing. All right, finally got the old Tesla batteries installed on the side of the house. Had to cut the old sprinkler system out, so now I got to water everything by freaking hand. But bam, look at this system. 13 kilowatt hours, 26 kilowatt hours, 39 kilowatt hours in total. That's the brains for the system right here in the middle. Just a beautiful looking system. I don't know about all this piping though. The piping they had to use, kind of gaudy. It looks like a ride for Disneyland. I'm standing up on my bank so I can get a good view of all of it. But man, this stuff is pretty thick. So they had to convert my old panel into a new panel. So from the old panel to the new panel, that holds the breakers, the main breakers to the house. Then they put in a new shutoff for the freaking inverter for the solar. That's a huge box, huge piping. But in all, $41,000, hopefully well spent. I don't know. We're going to see here in a couple of months, 6 months, maybe a year, if this system's going to pay off. But they are beautiful. Well, Tomas, I think we found it, dude. We got these night lights, but with an amber lens that fit perfect under the turbo scoop, right in there. And fits right under the scoop perfect. And it comes with the brackets needed, so it just mounts right up. So it comes with these brackets, or we got the other brackets. And the angle of the dangle works perfect. Let me get this open. So yeah, we just got these little brackets in there. And they just pin this one like that. Do we have them pointing backwards or forward? Backward. So, how the hell? Oh, like that. So this one on that side, and then the other one goes like that, but obviously this is on the other side. Flipped. Looking good. She's clean. All right, really quick. This is the 11-inch light bar that I posted. This smaller bracket here just goes underneath each side. It just pops underneath and then just screws right in. It was like an absolute perfect fit. Just take these out with the Torx bit. Boom, boom. Slide this sucker in and she's good to go. It won't hinder too much air, I don't think, going in to the radiators and the coolers. And then I just wired it right to all that stiff. Got a lot of wiring to do on this car, but yep, there it is, pretty easy. And that one just mounted on the Cognito bumper, the Cognito front bumper where the winch plate is, and they fit too pretty dang good. And so that just runs through there where it's plugged in and up into there. Hope you guys like it. We're just in my garage, so I got a limited space, but that's how bright they are. And it's, again, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's really bright in the house, but they are very bright lights.